Next app is a 99-cent app, and it's called Tablet Keyboard. And it is a keyboard replacement for your Honeycomb tablet. If you just watched the other review that I did this week, if you're watching the show, of course you've seen
You should
it.
be.
But
Of course everyone's watching the show.
well, I mean the full show. If you're watching the full episode, then you've probably seen it.
Of course. Everybody should be.
But if you're watching the individual app review, you probably just saw a sneak peek of this on the Pulse
Really?
review.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's true.
So let me pull up something like YouTube
Bring it.
so I can give a good show a good example.
Oh, that's YouTube.
Get the full experience here.
Yeah, it looks like YouTube.
Dang, that's what YouTube looks like on there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
isn't that insane?
That's
It's
awesome.
pretty cool. See, like here's one of my videos or whatever.
Were those all your videos?
No, it's
Okay, I didn't
your
think so.
subscriptions and all the other stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Oh. It's a weird song. He looks really excited.
Yeah. So if you want to search YouTube, you just click up there, and your keyboard will pop up. Well,
Yeah.
normally what you're gonna see is
Just another
this
keyboard.
keyboard.
Okay.
And this is the standard one that comes with Honeycomb.
Mm-hmm.
But if you download and install Tablet Keyboard, what you're gonna want to do is go to your settings menu, which I've created a shortcut on my desktop. But you can also go to Apps, and then go right over to Settings. And then you'll want to go down to Language and Input, nearly towards the bottom. And then Input Method Selector, the very bottom on the right.
Oh, yeah.
Or wait, no. Configure Input Methods. It's the next one. So what's going to happen is your tablet keyboard would be listed on here, but it won't be checked. So you'll have to check that box. And it'll give you a warning saying that they can collect everything that you type, and that's it's what it says for every keyboard
Oh,
replacement.
okay.
Because you know
They don't know.
it could, yeah, they got to tell you that.
Mm-hmm.
I have never heard of a keyboard replacement doing that, but you never know. So, but once you do that and you enable it, and you go to use a keyboard for anything, you'll see on the very bottom of the screen, and this doesn't show up on our video out,
Oh, man.
but in your notification bar, you'll see something that looks like a tiny keyboard on the far left. If you touch that, this menu pops up, and it will let you switch keyboards to any third-party keyboards you have installed, or the voice input, which is the top one up there.
Right.
So I select tablet,
Oh,
and this is the app essentially that
interesting.
you've installed. It's pretty awesome. It does something very similar to the Android keyboard that you might be used to on phones. It looks a lot more like that, but it has a number row.
Oh,
So if you're using the device on your lap, you can put it right down and just type like Android app show, and
Whoa.
then hit enter.
that's
I didn't do a
slick.
space, but it came up.
worked. It's smart.
So I'll hit that. Let's try Audio Collective.
Oh, boy.
Oh, I had some space going in here.
Your thumbs are a little too happy there.
Yeah. Whoops.
No results found.
I didn't spell it right.
No, you didn't.
Oh. You're typing too fast.
It's the CTA. There he goes. Yeah, I'm starting to get better at the touch typing, but I got good at it with a different keyboard than this.
You put two
So-
U's in the beginning.
Yeah, all kinds of good stuff going on here.
Well, why don't you show me other feature
I'm
There
getting
we
to
go.
it.
Oh, boy.
instead of mistyping a bunch of crap?
So, if you're like me and you don't use these tablets very much in a position where it's on your lap and you'd be touch typing or whatever,
Mhm.
you know, like typing on it with the thumb, it just doesn't work. It's too huge, you know,
It
to
is.
thumb type. This keyboard on the bottom left side, it has a little icon that looks like, I don't know, two buildings with arrows on the top of them.
Yeah.
It's on the far left side on the bottom. So you tap that, and boom,
Tap that.
and it splits the keyboard,
Oh, snap.
condenses it down, so you can do all the typing on each side.
Does it put anything in the middle? What's in the middle? Nothing. Just blank space.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That is.
So I get a lot better performance out of it.
Does it kind of hurt your brain? Uh-oh.
What the heck was that?
Is that your blood sugar?
It's his colostomy bag.
Flood advisory.
Oh, there you go.
Tape robot boy.
So this is you, right?
That's my brother.
Let's see the.
Brother
This is
from
my
another
brother's
mother?
Halloween costume. With beer holder and everything.
Whoa.
Nice.
Transforming beer holder?
Uh-huh. That turns into a gun.
Your brother's a freaking genius.
I know. It's made completely out of duct tape.
And beer cozy, apparently.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Wow.
What duct tape did you have to go through?
And there's a
Okay.
lighter in the other end, too.
What is it, a convertible potato cannon?
I don't know.
A shoulder-mounted potato cannon.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. So, and this keyboard permeates every app that you have on the device. So, even if you're in the browser and you're wanting to search for something, you can use the same split keyboard
That's nice.
or switch back to the full keyboard in one button push.
That would be nice if it did like they show on some of those like Windows devices
Yeah.
where they had it was just like a fan, like fans that come out of the corners. You can just type with your thumbs.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, maybe not like a fan, but like if it was transparent in the middle so you could see the page and it just overlaid everything.
Yeah.
That would be sweet.
Yeah, that would definitely be pretty awesome. Hit this. Configure. I guess I should make sure that there's no special settings for this. But I've used another app. I'm trying to think if it wasn't Better Keyboard. I have to look this up, but it's one that I used on my phone for a while before I switched to Gingerbread, which I love Gingerbread's default keyboard. I just haven't felt the need to use another one. But it did transparencies, and I agree with you.
Yeah.
It would be nice if this left the middle open. So it's definitely something the developer can improve.
But I love that usability of it.
Yeah,
It's just so nice.
that's crazy. It really is. So, at 99 cents, you can't beat it.
You
It
cannot.
really kills the default keyboard. Much better.